They don't want you to see this video. Not your boss, not the banks, not the politicians. Because what you're about to learn is the forbidden blueprint to breaking free from a system designed to keep you poor, exhausted, and obedient. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is Wallstreet Trapper's underground 2024 strategy, a ruthless, unflinching playbook used by the elite to turn 100 into 100,000 while you're stuck trading time for pennies. If you're ready to learn the real rules of money and power, the ones they'll never teach in school, keep watching. But warning, once you see this truth, you can't unsee it. Let's start with a hard truth. The game is rigged. The stock market, casino for the rich. Your 9 to 5, modern-day serfdom, and credit scores, a tool to keep you renting life instead of owning it. Wallstreet Trapper said it bluntly. They built a system where you think you're playing Monopoly, but you're actually the piece on the board. Audit your life this week. How much of your income feeds banks, interest, corporations, subscriptions, or landlords? Write down one expense you can redirect into your empire today. Here's the forbidden truth. Debt isn't your enemy, it's your weapon. But only if you invert the script. The rich don't avoid debt, they exploit it. They borrow against assets to buy more assets. You're taught to borrow for liabilities, cars, vacations, that drain you. Wallstreet Trapper's 2024 move. Use secured debt, e.g. loans against gold, land, or crypto, to fund cash-flowing hustles. Example, borrow $10K against Bitcoin flip pallets of overstock goods clear. $10K against Bitcoin flip pallets of overstock goods clear, $3K/month profit. Rinse. Repeat. Ever wonder why the wealthy love tax loopholes? Because they know legality is not equal to morality. Wallstreet Trapper's underground strategy? Operate in the gray. Not illegal, just unadvertised. Forbidden tactics. Ghost corporations. Set up LLCs in states like Wyoming, no income tax, to shield assets. Digital nomad banking. Use offshore crypto exchanges to dodge inflation and surveillance. The 72-hour flip. Buy foreclosed homes at auction, cash only, no credit checks. Renovate fast. Sell to desperate landlords. The richest people on earth own things quietly. You've never heard of their holding companies, their private equity funds, or their stake in that gas station you pass every day. Wallstreet Trapper's rule. If your name's on it, you're a target. By appreciating assets, land, rare art, Bitcoin under an LLC. Never brag about wins online. The IRS and opportunists are always watching. Here's the hardest pill. Your trauma is profitable. Corporations sell you pills for stress caused by their low wages. Banks profit when you're too scared to invest. Wallstreet Trapper's fix? Stop thinking like a worker. Start thinking like a warlord. Reboot your brain. Replace "I can't afford it" with "How can I own it?" Spend 30 minutes daily consuming war content, Sun Tzu, mob documentaries, instead of TikTok. Forgive no one. Use your anger as fuel. Gold? Overrated. Stocks? Puppet strings. Wallstreet Trapper's 2024 portfolio is built on assets they can't print or hack. Water rights. Own shares of rural water sources. Drought equals your profit. Self-storage units. People will always pay to hoard junk they can't let go of. Precious metals with a twist. Not gold, rhodium, and lithium. One powers jets, the other powers your phone. Sin investments. Alcohol, cannabis, gambling. Fear and vice survive every recession. The elite know the system's crumbling. That's why they're buying bunkers, farmland, and private armies. You don't need a doomsday vault, you need strategic exits. Wallstreet Trapper's 2024 red flags. When CNN starts saying, "The economy's strong," sell speculative assets. When banks offer 5% savings accounts, they're desperate for your cash. Don't comply. When politicians blame greed for inflation by food, ammo, and Bitcoin, keep 10% of your wealth in untraceable cash, silver coins, and barter goods, alcohol, antibiotics. Sleep like a king during chaos. They told you wealth was a degree, a 401k, and playing by the rules. But Wallstreet Trapper's 2024 strategy reveals the truth. Money is a game of predators and prey. You've got two choices. Keep begging for scraps at the table, or flip the table and build your own. If you're ready to join the underground, smash subscribe and hit the bell. Share this video with your real tribe, not the leeches. And remember what the trapper said, the law doesn't protect you, it protects them. So stop asking permission to win. This video might get taken down. Watch it twice, take notes, and start your rebellion now.